one corn cob. We have, well, I have one when you can have two. Another corn cob, but this one has a straight stem. Tamper. Not with no evidence. Cigar lighter, cigar cutter. Matches. A lighter. A cigar holder. A cigar pipe holder. Some cigar bands. My gloves don't go in there. And this is trash. Hava a Tampa. Jewel Sweet. So only in the United States. Birchwood tip cigars. Birchwood tip cigars. Phone number is 1-877 CGR cigar SMKR smoker, cigar smoker. I can fuck with that. That's an easy ass phone number. 1-877 CGR SMKR. So I was tasting. I said it was a little sweet. It's not too sweet. I was tasting something. Birchwood tip. Birchwood tip. It's called Jewel Sweet. So maybe that's on purpose. Sweet cigar. It's a nice sweet cigar. For those somebody who hasn't, this is what I might actually say is a perfect beginner cigar. I would call this a perfect beginner cigar. It's not too sweet, but it's a hint, it's a taste of sweetness to it. At the same time, it's not overbearing, and it's gonna actually feel like a real and puff like a real cigar. Right? That's one. Two, why else would I call this a perfect beginner first cigar? You don't even have to cut it. You don't even have to cut it. You just have to light it up. So for a beginner, if they don't have a cutter, if they don't have a cigar cutter, but they can easily find a lighter at a dollar store, at a gas station. I got these from a gas station. A relatively inexpensive way to get started. $5 for a box, and you get 5 of them. That's $1 per cigar. So it's $1 per cigar. You get a whole box. You don't have to cut it. All you need to do is light it up. And it's a little bit sweet, but not too sweet. This is a perfect beginner cigar. Perfect beginner cigar. I just had my first box. So a little cigar education. Usually, cigars you're going to have to cut first. You got to cut them first. This one, there's no cutting involved. You just simply take it. Because some people don't even know which end of the cigar to put in their mouth. You just take, clearly, we know which one. The wood tip. And then light the other end at the foot. Perfect.